Sox at Fenway Park in Boston. And that's the end of the game. The final score, the Chicago White Sox 4 and the Red Sox 1. We'll return with a recap of today's game in just a minute.